In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect to your website after Stripe confirmation in this 2026 guide. If you want customers to land on a specific page right after they complete a payment, Stripe makes that possible through your checkout settings. This is useful if you want to send people to a thank you page, a download page, a booking page, or anywhere else on your website after payment is confirmed. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can set it up with confidence. First, log into your Stripe account and go to your dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct account or workspace before changing anything, especially if you manage multiple payment setups. Next, open the payment method you're using. This could be a payment link, a checkout session, or a subscription checkout, depending on how you collect payments. The exact layout may vary slightly, but the overall process is very similar across these options. Once you're inside that payment setup, open the settings for the checkout page. This is where Stripe lets you control what your customers see and what happens after they complete their payment. Now look for the section labeled something like After Payment, Confirmation Page, or Success URL. Stripe may use slightly different wording depending on the payment tool you're using, so take a moment to scan the settings carefully. When you find that section, choose the option that redirects customers after a successful payment. This tells Stripe not to stop at the default confirmation screen, but instead to send the customer directly to your chosen web page. After that, enter the full URL of the page you want customers to visit after checkout. Be sure to paste the exact web address you want to use. This is often a dedicated confirmation or thank you page on your site, and it should be ready for customers to view immediately after purchase. Before saving, verify that the website address is correct. Double-check for typos, missing characters, or the wrong page path, because even a small error can break the redirect or send customers to the wrong place. Once everything looks right, save your changes so the new redirect setting becomes active. Now it's time to test it. Complete a test payment to make sure the redirect works properly. This is an important final check because it lets you experience the flow exactly as a customer would. After the test payment is complete, confirm that customers are automatically sent to your website after payment confirmation. If the redirect works smoothly, then your setup is ready to go. Thanks for watching.